am that I am, a child of the Creator. I am that I am, love and respect for my almighty, absolute, true Creator. I am that I am in oneness with all life on planet Earth through millions of atoms, molecules, and cells in my body and mind. I am that I am created in the oneness of the Messiah, the way, truth, and the light. For he is in me as the power of three, the Trinity of the universe. I am that I am oneness with the ocean waves, the sound waves in the wind, thunder bursting forth as water of life, the gentle drop of water on a leaf, the smell of fresh air, the cool mist covering the pores of my body, the sounds of insects, birds, and animals running freely through the forest. I am that I am as the sun shines through the clouds to warm and enlighten my body with his protecting charge. I am that I am to never worship false elite gods of idols and Babylonian symbols. I am that I am to never worship false kings, gods, and lords of blood sacrifice, ego, war, greed, racism, hate, and division. I am that I am more powerful in spirit than my body. I am that I am humble in this power and will never allow ego to run my life as I stand in a domain of unlimited possibilities through the power of the Word. I am that I am gracious for my inheritance of these gifts from the almighty, absolute, supernatural Creator Trinity of the universe and all life on planet Earth. I am that I am oneness with all the minerals, plants, and animals on this beautiful planet Earth. I am that I am, created in perfection as all other life created on this planet. I am that I am, free of bondage through natural laws and golden will of the universe.